Enle, hello, a cowboy as well. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to say certain personal pronouns in Yoruba. So we're talking about me, you, him, her, us, them. I already did a video on how to say I, we, etc. So if you missed that, check the video that is in the description box. So this is a bit of a grammar lesson really, but don't get too worried. You really need these basics to start making phrases by yourself in Yoruba. You get more fluent, more proficient. So we're going to look at examples too. Firstly, we're going to look at the singular forms of the pronouns, and these are when the pronouns are used as the object in a sentence. This is what I mean by that. So we're talking about me, you, him, her, it, and here the you is the informal you. So this is the you that you use for someone that you're very close with. You wouldn't use this for an elderly person. So please keep that in mind. It can be a bit disrespectful if you do. Emi is me. Emi. Emi àti Bola pàdé. Me and Bola met. Although we know, grammar police, in English usually you say Bola and I met, but this is the Yoruba. This is just for example purposes, so don't be too worried about it. Emi àti Bola pàdé. Emi àti Bola pàdé. Me and Bola met. Ìwọ, you. Ìwọ ńkọ́, how about you? You might have heard of this phrase actually. Let's say you're having a conversation and someone is asking, how about you? Ìwọ ńkọ́? But please do not use ìwọ for an elderly person. Ìwọ ńkọ́. Ìwọ ńkọ́, how about you? Òun is him, her, or it. Òun ló ní, it belongs to him or her. This probably makes more sense here. Òun ló ní, òun ló ní, it belongs to him or her. Next, we're going to have a look at the plural forms of the personal pronouns as objects in these sentences. This is what I mean by that. So you have us, you as in the plural you, and them. So this plural you, let's think, say in English, people might say you guys. So they're talking you, but they're talking to more than one person. This is also the you that you use as the polite form. So you can use this for it to show a sign of respect. You use this particular you for that. Awa is us. Most times though, the a part is cut to just wa. But I'll show you an example of what I mean by that. Wọ́n fún àwa ní ẹ̀bùn. Wọ́n fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn is more natural to say. When you use the àwa in this example, you're almost placing emphasis. So naturally, you drop the part of it and you just say wa. So wọ́n fún àwa ní ẹ̀bùn. Wọ́n fún àwa ní ẹ̀bùn. Wọ́n fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn. They gave us a gift. Ẹ̀yin is you. Ẹ̀yin ni mo sọ fún. It was you that I told. Ẹ̀yin ni mo sọ fún. Ẹ̀yin ni mo sọ fún. It was you that I told. Àwọn is them. Àwọn kọ́ ni mo pè. It wasn't them that I called. Àwọn kọ́ ni mo pè. Àwọn kọ́ ni mo pè. It wasn't them that I called. Let's test your knowledge with a very short quiz you see the sentence and you have 3 seconds to think about which personal pronoun fills in the gap. Let's go. Will you buy it for us? Ṣé ẹ máa rà fún dash. Ṣé ẹ máa rà fún wa? Will you buy it for us? Wa here is us. It belongs to me. Dash ni mo ní. Èmi ni mo ní. It belongs to me. Èmi here is me. It is you that I want to marry. Dash ni mo fẹ́ fẹ́. Ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ fẹ́. It is you that I want to marry. Ìwọ here is you. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, I've already covered the other personal pronouns such as I, he, she, we, they in a previous video. So make sure to go check that out so you can have a comprehensive understanding of all of the personal pronouns that exist in Yoruba. It's quite similar to English actually. So you're not using, me, rather than using I and so on and mixing them together. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know by dropping a comment if you like in the comment section. Or if you have any questions, feel free to put that in there. Please do share this. My goal is to try to keep sharing the Yoruba language and culture with as many people as possible. And yeah, I really appreciate you engaging with the video. Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé gan, and I will see you next time. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.